Hey everyone, this is Leon Lovett, a licensed massage therapist and certified medical massage therapist with nearly 20 years of hands-on experience. The information shared in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Services at TravSpa do not diagnose, treat, or replace care from a licensed medical provider. If you have a medical condition, injury, or health concern, please consult with your physician or qualified healthcare professional before starting any new bodywork or wellness service. Assisted stretching at TravSpa is a focused, guided mobility session designed to improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, and restore healthy movement patterns throughout the body. This service blends controlled stretching, breath coordination, and targeted mobility techniques to help release tension that regular massage or self-stretching cannot fully address. Each session begins with a brief evaluation of posture, movement quality, and areas where the muscles feel tight or limited. These findings determine the stretches and sequences used, ensuring that the session matches the client's needs and physical abilities. During the treatment, the body is moved through gentle, controlled ranges of motion. Each stretch is delivered slowly and intentionally, allowing the muscles to lengthen without force or strain. Clients remain completely supported, making it easy to relax while the stretch does the work. This method helps improve flexibility, enhance circulation, and reduce tension that builds from repetitive work, workouts, or long periods of sitting. Assisted stretching is ideal for clients who experience stiffness, limited mobility, post-workout tightness, or difficulty maintaining flexibility on their own. It is also highly effective for improving athletic performance, restoring balance between overused and underused muscles, and helping the body move more freely during everyday activity. The session feels relieving, refreshing, and noticeably opening without the intensity often found in deep manual work. Each stretch is paired with steady breathing and a controlled tempo that encourages the nervous system to release tension naturally. Assisted stretching at TravSpa supports a healthier range of motion, better posture, reduced tightness, and improved overall mobility, helping clients feel lighter, more open, and more prepared for daily movement or training. If you're ready to move better, feel lighter, and restore flexibility in a safe and supported way, assisted stretching at TravSpa is a great place to start. You can schedule your session anytime by visiting TravSpa.com and begin improving your mobility one stretch at a time.